Alright, so Barrett, we're going to lay out this set of steps. Barrett was asking me why I had my framing square like this, and you were asking me why this space.
Yeah.
You see these cracks right here?
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to get my first tread down past the cracks. When you're trying to figure out how long your steps are going to be, you always want to leave an extra foot or so at the end of your 2x12. You know, you don't want to ever buy a 10-foot 2x12 if that's what you need. You want to get one that's 2 feet longer. So you can see how far down I'm starting. So my risers are 7 1/4 and 10 inches, and the treads are 10 inches. So I set my framing square on 10 here, and 7 5/16. I'm going to make them 7 5/16. See? And so that's how I get my angle. That's how I get this angle for the first one. Then you just flip your square over like this, and this is the first. You see, this gets cut out.
Yeah.
All that gets cut out. See? Then you just go down, and they have these little knobs you can put on your framing square.
Yeah, I've seen those.
But I just like to hold my fingers like this, and I like to check it to make sure it's right on each one, and then you just keep doing that all the way down. And we have 14 risers, but the 14th riser is the deck. Okay, so we only need 13 risers on our stringer, 7 5/16 and 10, and you can see already where this is going, right?
Yep.
Now when you cut these out, you just cut to the line, and then you'll take a handsaw, because I'm going to let Paco cut these out. Now on your first, when we get to the bottom, I'll show you a trick. And on a deck, you're going to have to take off. You're going to add, what you're going to do is, you're going to add a 3/4 riser, a kicker here, right? So on the top one, you need to take that 3/4 off. Otherwise, when you put your 2 treads on here, this top step is going to be wider than the rest of them, you see? Because I'm going to add 3/4 here, 3/4 here, and if I don't add it here or take it off, then this top step's going to be wrong. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So I'll turn this over like this. Now this gets added back at the bottom. See? So this will cut. That's your line. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark all these, and I'm going to show you at the bottom.
All right.
Okay, so Barrett, we got lucky here. See how we're cutting out that knot?
Yep.
That would be bad if that was like right here or right there. You're trying to screw your treads down. So really, if you ran into that situation, it'd be a pain in the butt, but you'd want to adjust. That's another reason why to buy your 2x12 2 or 3 feet longer, 4 feet longer, so you can slide it back and forth if you run into knot problems.
You see. I guess you'd have to make all new lines, huh?
Yeah, you just have to lay it out, but now I would know, right? It would just be twice you'd have to do it, but that's what you got to do sometimes to get it right.
13.
So, huh?
13, yeah.
13th. Okay, so we got 14 risers. The top riser is this deck itself, okay? We have 13 risers on this, on our stringer, right? So I'm drawing the last riser. Now, here's a trick that you need to learn, and remember that we're going to be adding 1 inch of flooring on here, right? There's going to be 2 5/4 pieces that are going to be the stair. I mean the tread, right? So we have to take that inch off the bottom, right? I can't just like, I can't draw this line now going back this way, right? Guess what? If I did that,
It'd be too big.
Cut. So you see, Barrett, if we left this riser at 7 5/16, and we added 1 inch how did I get that much? Let's check this. Double check. Just double check everything. I think I got a little sloppy with this right here because I knew I wasn't going to cut this line. So I got a little sloppy, but anyway, you see, our tread would be, our step would be too high. So we have to take the inch thickness. Now, don't make the mistake of taking it off of here. You got to take it off the bottom, okay? So what I'm going to do is make this 6 5/16. I'm going to double check this. Yeah, and then I'm going to mark this across. So the most important thing to do is to draw all this out, and I'll show you the drawing that I did. Draw all this out and plan it all out. So this is in my head. I'm not just pulling this out of my rear end, right? Yeah. I planned this in advance.
Have a plan.
And now I'm just, it seems like I'm just pulling it out of my butt because it's in my head now. So let's count them again. 1, 2, go from there, big head. I should have 13 treads.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
That's where I marked it, right? Yeah, and that's what you want to do. You want to double check all this stuff before you start cutting this tread because these 2x12s are expensive. And I only bought 3, and that's how many we need, so we can't screw this up. So what I did was to save Paco time, I just laid it out. And then when he gets here, we'll let them cut them and we'll show them installed.
That works pretty good.
For an old saw. But man, this is the one we tried to engrave the AK on. I'm gonna hit the sawhorse. So treated wood doesn't want to cut. Am I hitting the sawhorse?
Old school versus new school.
I can't see.
Yeah, we are on 2019.
Well, I missed the good part, but that's what we got so far.